Shiba Inu is up 43% in January in 2023. Did you know that? Probably not. Most people tend to look at their coins and tokens they own on a day-to-day basis and don't aggregate it, look at it like the entire over period of time. We're going to look at that in this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me here on the Clear channel. All things Clear Cryptos, links in the description below. Check them out. Okay. So SHIB is up, like I said, 43% in January. So if you look at, we can basically look at the last month. You can see it's right in here. So we started right here on the 1st. We were at 5 zeros and an 8, and we are up 43%. Nice little move up. Very, very good, great looking chart. 43%. What do you think about that? I think there's a couple of things going on. 43% rise is, I think, to me, attributed to two main things. Number one, overall consumer confidence coming back into crypto. People are now starting to become more confident in crypto again. And I'm talking about not just Shiba Inu, but all of crypto. That's good. Secondly, massive release coming, Shibarium. This is Shiba Inu's biggest thing they've ever done. It's their own layer 2 blockchain. It will be the foundation for all things SHIB in the very near future. Everything in the ecosystem will touch it and run on it in one facet or the other. It's a big thing. And I think that impending launch is a big part of the reason 43% up. What are your thoughts? Drop in the comments below. As always, thank you for your support. If you want to learn more about ClearCryptos and what they're doing, they just announced a major strategic partnership last week with USFCR. Check that out. And more partnerships and alliances are coming. This is a great crypto company about to do some amazing things. There you go. Have a good one. See you. Bye.